Hey, you want to get paid to grocery shop? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I want to introduce you to a app or website, whatever, that you can actually sign up with, apply to, and you can get paid to grocery shop for people. All right, the site name is Shipt, so it's SHIPT. All right, now this is a site that basically people can sign up with if they want, if they don't got time or whatever to grocery shop, or they just don't feel like it. They can actually hire people to go out there and get all of the groceries that they need and get them delivered to their house. Very similar to Uber Eats and DoorDash, another one of these type sites, but I just heard of it, so I think it's cool for people that's looking to make some extra cash. Now, when I looked at the information about this site, got a fairly amount of decent reviews on it. They say the average shopper gets around $8 to $12 an hour. That's what it figures out to be. But if you grind it and you got a lot of deliveries and stuff like that, they say some shoppers can earn up to $22 an hour. All right, so I'm not sure if it's in every area location. All you gotta do is just go to the site and see if it's in your area. If it is, you can download the app and you can actually apply to it, and you can start making that money. So if you don't mind shopping and and you do it all the time anyway, you can make some money. You might as well. All right. So name of the site is called Shipt, and I'll put a link in the description, guys, so you could check that out. Let me know what you think if you applied for it, if you work for Shipt. Comment below. Let other people know your thoughts on it. And that's it, guys. Be sure to comment, share this video, and subscribe, because you see I'm always bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Real quick, guys, I wanted to give some more information. I forgot to talk about the dog had to get out, so I got all rushed, right? But I wanted to say real quick, requirements for Shipt is you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have a good driving record, valid driver's license, which I guess is kind of common sense, or unless you got a bike. So I don't know, but valid driver's license. You have to be able to lift, I believe, like 40 pounds, because you might get those orders where somebody might want a gang of stuff and you might not be able to carry it. So you got to be able to lift at least, I believe it was 40 pounds. Something else, but I forget. But it's basic, basic requirements, guys. Oh, you got to at least have a car newer than 1997. And a lot of people got cars newer than 1997. So, guys, great opportunity, man. Check this out. And if you got a car and you drive, guys, you have no excuse not to be earning some extra money between Uber, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Shipt. You know what I mean? Get out there, make that money. All right, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.